everyone. I'm Rebecca, the CEO of Musicology, and I have with me today Grace, who is the founder of NoteQuest app. It's a fantastic app for sight reading. Hi, Grace.
Hey Rebecca, so fun to be together as always.
Yeah. So, we are going to teach you how to screen share an iPad app on Musicology. So, what I'm going to do is go down here to this collapsible menu, press on this world icon because we are sharing the world here. I'm going to click on entire screen, make sure that that entire screen is highlighted blue. Click share. Now I want to see Grace, so I'm going into these camera toggle options and I'm going to pop out her remote video here. So now I can slide her around. So I'm getting rid of the screen because we don't need that anymore. I just want to see Grace. And I'm going to open up QuickTime. I don't need this file here. Go up here to the file menu, press new movie recording, and go to the drop down menu. My iPad 4 is selected, and you're going to see it in a second. Here it is. So now I'm going to share Grace's fantastic app, and we are going to show you a really fun little sight reading game that you can play on it. So here is NoteQuest.
Yay.
And let's go back to the beginning here. So should we do Note Class or NoteFit, Grace?
Let's do note class because that's the one that responds to sound.
Perfect. Okay, and we're doing real piano or MIDI or virtual piano.
We can choose real piano.
And I will skip to drills. Landmark notes.
Sure, let's pretend that I'm a beginner and I'm just learning landmark notes.
Sounds good. Which one should we do?
We could do the three C's. It's a very common issue among new students, right? Differentiating between all the three C's.
So many C's on the piano.
So I'm actually going to play middle C on my end, which is remarkable because she's going to hear it on her app.
Yay! You know your landmark C so well.
Thanks so much.
That was so much fun. So now I'm going to exit screen share and I'm going to close Grace's pop out video, slide her back over, and disable screen sharing. And now we're back. That was fun, Grace. Thank you.
Yeah, that was fun. I think it's just a fun activity for teachers to do just to mix it up during an online lesson because sometimes teachers say, oh, online lessons could be such a drag or, the energy level starts going down. And so it's kind of like a little pick me up in the middle of the lesson.
Yeah, completely. Yeah, it just spices things up a little bit.
Yep.
Thanks so much for
Thanks.
joining me today.
Thank you.